ducks went out to play on a grassy bank by the river one day. Red, green, yellow, pink and blue, they waddle and giggle like ducklings do. Fight, quack, quack, went the ducky crew. Off they splashed in the water so blue. Red little duck with a shiny bright beak hopped in the river with a happy squeak. Green duck followed, flapping in delight, their feathers all glowing in morning light. Fight, quack, quack in the sunny view, bouncing in ripples under skies so blue. Yellow duck danced with the pink one near, twirling by flowers full of cheer. Blue duck splashed with a giggle and spin, all five laughed with a joyful grin.